What's up, gang? Who's gonna kick it with me today? I for real be on my loner shit. This G35 tire still flat. I had to jump it the other day. We're gonna keep the G locked up though. I'll clean up the wheels on the Q50. Bring out these tire stickers again. That's why I'm rocking with the tire stickers, bro. These things are hella durable. Let's get it though. Let's go. How y'all like that camera work? That's what I love doing right there. Sitting in the studio, editing that shit. And check out the wheels too. Already looking 10 times better. And that was easy work. Didn't even use wheel cleaner, we're just using some wash and wax, simple green. I gotta clean all this shit up. Stash all of that right there. The garage coming along though. Still got shit to do for days, bro. I've been throwing out trash for years too. Shit is non-stop. You gotta stay disciplined though. When we're not disciplined, that's when we're fucking up. So I gotta stay on top of this shit. Let's keep this rolling. Got this joint cleared out. Whip looking nice. It's Friday too, shit. Gotta thank God every day. Gotta thank God, man. Gotta thank God for good and bad. This shit is a grind, bro. Every fucking day, you gotta stay on top of this shit. Just gotta find a way to keep moving. Life is tough, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do. And this shit right here, bro, you think this shit easy? Hell nah. I don't wanna be doing this shit. Got the world watching and shit. Shit crazy, bro. You gotta watch what you wish for. We all good though. We're still here and that's all that matters. This is what we got. Gotta be thankful for what you got. Check out the weed though. That shit growing up. I'm at a point though where I'm like, I don't know what to do. Do I harvest this shit? What's the next step I gotta do? If any of you guys grow some weed, let me know. That's a, is that a sativa or indica? Shit. That's a sativa for sure. Fuck, I don't know. If you guys want to see an update on the yard, let me know. I'll be giving you guys an update. We'll throw some challenges and shit. Challenge number 1, fucking plant some seeds. We'll see what's up. Alright, y'all. Keep your faith strong. Let's keep doing this shit.
J.I. Beats.